So recently we saw that the election commission has issued up a press statement saying that in Meghalaya there are 4 political parties were to be de-recognized. So can we just get the name of those political parties? And what is their reason and what are the procedure?
A procedure part, basically they are registered with the Election Commission of India. So there are the certain provisions, they have to contest the election and all the things, so they have to submit their documents and other needful mandatory part timely. So once they don't do, then commission it is a routine exercise for the review and see if they are not active. So within that given timeline, if they are not fulfilling no communication, then they can start the deregistration process. So far the in Meghalaya is concerned, there are 4 political parties. Meghalaya Democratic Party, then Northeast Social Northeast Social Democratic Party, and the Regional Democratic Secular Congress. These 3 parties. So we already conducted and field verification also they are not doing. And moreover, another party is the KHNAM. So since they have not contested the election for during this last 6 years, so certain issues are there with the KHNAM. So that we are examining and seeing. So once, as per the instruction of the Honorable Commission, whatever procedure part will be there, we will do it. Because this registration and deregistration has been done by the ECI directly, not at the level of the state.
But hopefully the ECI has seek the report from the election department of the state.
All the mandatory part in the due procedure, it is being taken.
Okay, thank you.